Okay, you gotta make sure you get all the lapping compound out that's hidden up in where you can't see it. So you get a clean towel, make sure there's nothing anywhere. And then these I had to brake clean the piss out of them several times and clean them some more. So you can see all the gray color on everything, that's where it's been lapping on it. Still see all the rust. See the shiny areas there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where it wasn't hitting. The gray area is where it hits. So that's how you tell what got done and didn't get done. So hopefully that was what it needed. Okay, so put those shims back in there. Oh, my mark went way ahead on there. Click, remark it. Assuming that's where the tiny mark is. Clean the marks off, so it's hard to see. Those ones I can see fine. Okay, so we'll do a full scale again just to make sure everything works one final time. We've done it 15 times in the last half hour, right? Goes over there. Oil. All right. Washer just fell. Need some actual oil on it where it goes. Pull it down. Yeah. See those marks right there? Looks like tummy marks. The actual tummy marks up here.
Oh, it's on the side.
So you got two teeth that are marked, and there's also another mark over here. Don't go by those marks. Go by the one that counts.
As long as you know which one it is.
Well, I'm assuming that's the one it is, but we'll find out when the motor don't run very well. Damn, that thing keeps falling off. Stay put. Okay, so. That one there, and rotate this until it falls in. Come on. There it goes. Tooth off. Tooth off on this side. See, that camera is so tall it hits on the edge of the teeth and doesn't let it go in every spot. Okay, so everything lines up there where it belongs, looks like. Okay. See how it slides on a little bit easier now? Still doesn't just slide on, but it's closer than it has been. Bunch of screws in this time. All right. So this should be the last time with that goop on it. Hopefully. It still rotates, that's a good sign. Rotate easily too. Before all the mock-ups, we were doing other stuff. This is our mock-up for camera place. Takes almost as long to do that as anything else. Okay. We don't have that tight spot no more. It's right here is where it gets tight. It's a little snug right through here. See the flywheel's bringing around. That's free as hell over through there, over here. See, it gets tight right there. See. Once you get past that, it comes up. Before, it wouldn't do that. Okay, so let's check our in-plays again. Clearance. Clearance. Second. And this one here. This is the one that still don't get the down. Still tight. It's got a lot of clearance. It's just still snug. It's not exactly free. So it's still dragging, but it's not binding real heavy like it was. It'll break in from here, but if you want it perfect, you can lop it some more. But then it gets a little looser. So it's a trade-off between being a little snug and too loose, make noise. The biggest thing is now the flywheels are turning nice and freely.
Yeah.
We don't have the little bind spot like we had it. So it's still there, right there, but then it goes through it pretty quickly. There's only like 2 teeth that are tight, and then it gets loose again. You said you saw a burr mark in there somewhere, world burr?
Yeah, a little spot of copper.
That might be the point where it's hitting, we don't know. You have to figure out at what point the crank is at and what tooth is hitting, and then make your decision.
I think it's okay.
Oh yeah, it's a lot better than it was. So this is our tight spots right here. So this lobe is pointing up, and the other one is... looks like it's about straight down, close to being straight down. It's probably over here somewhere. So we'll take the hilts are about like an angle like that. So we should be able to look at that and see when we pull apart what the 2 teeth are in that area. 3 teeth really. Okay, so that sets up all our in plays. We already had the crank set up before. I think I already clearanced the case, all the banging I did on it. Maybe I'll give it a little extra though, just in case, for the grinder. Just to be different.
Are you comfortable, Scooby?
On your foot? Yeah. Yeah, he likes to be on your foot. It makes him feel better on your foot. That way he's touching somebody. Dogs always want to be touching somebody so they know they're protected. All right. We'll get some comments about how slow I work here again. Some guy made a comment about that last night or this morning.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I was doing a training. So. Take that all apart with your yakking. Looking for tools, wiping your butt, and just show it doing again. It's only a stupid 4-speed. That was his comment. Should I make a reply back to that? Like tell him to go stick it up his butt and we don't care what he thinks? Or should I tell him, hey, no problem. Come on over here and do the editing. There's an open position. Do I be nice or I just tell him to go screw himself? Yeah. You know which one I like better.
Yeah.
Maybe get some comments about that. Okay, so back up here again. Okay, we know this is working good. There. Okay, so those are the teeth that are being the problems right here. Right through here. Don't see any really looks like it's sticking up as being a high spot. So I think it's just the whole tooth is high. There's nothing blatantly sticking up as being bad. And this one, it's right through here. A lot of rust areas in there. You think that'd be loose? It wasn't there. See where these three little stripes are at?
Yeah.
See, those are low spots, not high spots. Yeah. So there's nothing, there's no damaged tooth or some obvious defect sticking up. It's just the teeth are tight in that one spot. They're not, they're not 100% concentric. So these shafts pressed into these gears, so they can, there's a little bit of an error. See, I got a key right in here, and that can shove it out a little bit, which is probably might be what's happening. And that expands it out a little, an extra little thou or so on this side, and that's what we're hitting on. Stuff like that happens. This one over here is all welded through this area, so maybe it pulled it over a little bit more that way. It twisted it slightly, but it's welded on this side. You think it'd counteract that one, but you never know. When you measure this stuff, it might actually have a little bit of a curve to it as it's rotating because of the welding. Once again, you don't know. We just know it's tight. Okay, that goes in that position. This one dropped down the hole again. There's the other one. I knew there was two. Number one. And number three. Alright, so as long as you don't mix those up, we know which one goes where. These are out of the way now. Okay. We need to get this gasket off so that we can save it. We got to put the screen up inside of here, so we got the pin goes through here. Plus we got to do some cleaning. When's the last time these cases were cleaned? That's why we're going to clean them again. Nobody knows. It's tight right there. There it is. So you kind of rotate it up a little bit to help pull it. Here it goes pop, releases. See the gasket stuck right there, and right there is where it was sticking. So we're going to reuse this ancient gasket. How old is this? What year were you born?
When it came on that motor, it was before I was born.
No, I came from World War II, so it's probably still before you were born. About the same time you are. Yeah, that gasket's as old as you are. Still works like a champ. Oh, now it's really free now. Oh, it's like no drag at all now. Jeez. It's got in play. All right. Get out of my way. Okay, I guess I'm trying to take it out of the stand here. All right, we'll be back.